Listen and practice. Listen and practice. A journey by air. I had a great desire for a journey by plane. An opportunity for an air journey came when my father took us to New Delhi. Father had the tickets booked well in advance. On the day of journey, we went by car to Dum Dum Airport. After reporting ourselves, we showed our tickets at a counter inside the terminal building of the airport. Our suitcases were taken to be kept in the luggage cabin. Then we entered the security enclosure for necessary checking. Time for boarding the plane was announced. We now went into the plane by climbing the stairs. I felt excited and exulted as well. We were greeted by a fair-looking air hostess. Then the time for departure came. The air hostess wished us all a happy journey and directed us to fasten the seatbelts around our waists. It was a huge jet plane with the capacity of 100-odd passengers. It was 7 a.m. when the plane took off. It moved along a mile-long runway with a gradually increasing speed. Then it began to fly smoothly up into the sky. I had a feeling which I never experienced in life before. Next, the air hostess visited us and gave us packets of instant freshener paper napkins to rub our hands and faces. We were given lozenges and chocolates, which I relished. Perhaps I enjoyed the journey more sitting just behind the window from where I could see the wonderful sights below. Everything looked so small from such a great height. I could see the vast expanse of greenery of North India. When we were nearing the end of our 2-hour journey, air hostess directed us to fasten our seatbelts. Now the plane was flying down. We could feel we were going down. Then the plane landed Safdarjung Airport. The air hostess bade us goodbye. We went to the terminal building for receiving of our suitcases and then went to Ashoka Hotel by taxi. Prize Day at your school. The prize-giving ceremony, which is an important function of a school, came off on Monday, i.e. February 7th this year. On the occasion, the school premises were nicely and tastefully decorated with flowers and festoons. A makeshift dais was erected for the prize day. The function started at 12 noon and it was attended by various guests and guardians apart from students and teachers of our school. Sri Dibyagopal Ghatak, District Inspector of Schools, Purba Mednipur, graced the occasion as guest-in-chief. The secretary of our school presided over the function. The function started with the opening song sung in chorus. It was followed by songs, speeches, and recitations in which students participated. The most attractive of the cultural program was the one-act play entitled Mukut by Rabindranath Tagore. Then came the most attractive part of the program, the prize distribution. The Honorable Chief Guest gave away prizes among the students for their proficiency in various branches of knowledge like songs, music, recitations, academic excellence, and the like. Each of the prize winners was thunderously cheered by one and all present on the occasion. Next, the chief guest, Mr. Ghatak, made a stirring speech for the students. It was followed by a vote of thanks given by our headmaster. The function ended with a closing song. After the function, the students and guests were treated to a light refreshment.